This is the highest twin tower in the Philippines. So we are in the 48th floor. But I'm not sure yet how many floors is this twin tower. So research ko muna. Ayan, so according to my research, it has 56 floors, including the commercial level. Ayan. Nakahiga ang lola niyo because super tired and sleepy. Because we've been waiting for hours for the check-in. Early pa kasi kami dumating. Kasi first flight kami from Rojas. So, hi to Malls. Right now, we are here in Manila for a conference. So, ayan, let me show you our room. Andito kami sa Twin Towers. This is the, ano ba ni? The highest? Wait, so let's go mag-unpack na. That's his area, and yes, this will be mine. Dali ko na akong space kay para malapit sa tokador.
Isuga.
Kadulong lang sa lights. I don't like. This is my DIY. 7 ang dinner.
7 o'clock.
Ma?
Madina. Uy! Ano ba yan? Nag-uba ko siya tayo niya.
Ayan. Sira ang cooler. Ayan, sira ang cooler. So I used the ring from the kitchen. Alis na naman siya. Lako. Kasama din yung zipper di sa dalong ngayon niya pa. Ari pa lang yung zipper. O, bukas na saya. My goodness.
Balda, gurugin na niya.
Gani, oh. Johnny Walker, galinik, no? Oh. Pero mga ano na man guro pa mga 10 years old. The Johnny Walker suitcase. From my cousin. So what's inside my suitcase? Okay, syempre, unahin natin ang slipper ko. Where's my slipper? Okay, first. I bring this bag for all my toiletries. Hair cream, face wash,
this is my time.
Brush, liquid foundation, hairspray, DCCF planner. So I will transfer the baon shampoo and conditioner. Ayan, I cut it already. Nakasasasay na siya according kung ilang araw. And alcohol, extra perfume, my lotion. Para isang bit-bit sa banyo. This one should be here pala. Slipper, my day cream and night cream, comb, and my extra wet wipes. Dito siya sa hiniram ko muna yung bag. Yung aking chickens. Yan, I bought a slim bag. And I bought actually my foldable travel bag in case na masira yung suitcase because oldie na siya. So, ayun. Talagang kanina nga nagkaroon ng sira. Pero carry pa siya. This bag are my intimate accounts. clothes. Naka-ano na din to by pair for day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4 because we are here for a 3 days event.
For 3 nights?
So, alright.
4 nights?
3 days. 3 days event, so 5 days including the arrival and the departure. Ang event is 3 days. Ayan. This will be for the event outfits. These are for the hotel and Davao outfit. And I have my extra plastic na lang. Pag hindi ko masya dito yung laundry. Ayan, my laundry bag is from Courtyard by Marriott. And we're done. My shoes, my laundry bag. Ayan. Mga pantulog. Ito, I will iron it first. This one, my intimate apparel. And, ayan na. Yeah. That was on my notebooks. On my slippers. We're done. Thank you for watching. So, I'll give you a room tour for the next video.